Hurricane warnings remain in effect for Hillsborough County.
The mandatory evacuation of Zone A in Hillsborough County is now in effect.
This is going to be potentially the worst case scenario for the Tampa Bay area.
That's that snap. Go straight into the car.
Storm surge is also a big issue. In fact, probably the biggest issue is the water.
We just drove by Publix because we were checking to see if the sandbags were there, because Mikey said at work today someone literally tried to steal a sandbag right in front of him and his managers. And so we were just gonna see if someone took them or not. But yeah, sandbags are still there. We're heading to the gym to see if it's open. Hopefully it is. Oh, there's a car in the parking lot.
Dude, I think it's open. No more gas.
Looks like there's already a tree branch down. Okay, I'm definitely gonna remove my computer away from the window just in case. Okay, this is where I keep my social security number, birth certificate, stuff. So just to be safe, I'm gonna grab that as well. What is my dad doing outside? What was that noise?
Oh, there goes a power thing. Oh no, look out. There goes the power. Oh crap. I think I'm going in.
Why is he barefoot? Yeah, what was that?
Transformers. You don't want to be outside, that's why.
Wow. Get out there. Some good people.
It is about 2:30 on Wednesday, September 28th, and we just lost power. So that's great. Oh, benefits of having a Tesla during a power outage.
Alright, so you can't like run a microwave off it or anything, but yeah, you can charge your phone on there.
Update, it is 5:30 p.m. I've just been staring out the window watching random things fly by. The wind is sped up and there's all these random debris flying by. I kind of feel like I'm Dorothy in the Wizard of Oz when she's in the house and then things are just flying by outside. It sucks having no power though, because I'm just roasting in a hot house with no AC. But at least we have the Tesla to charge our phones with. Fence went down.
Dude, hey, it's cozy outside.
I think our fence is like exploding. The eye of the storm is now southeast of us, and so Mikey was saying that we're gonna get pretty bad storm surge after the eye passes us. So who knows what the flooding situation is gonna be like. It's fine for now. It's actually honestly not that bad. It's just windy and rainy. It just seems like a bad storm for now. We'll see how it goes. Apparently there's still food places open. Okay, so we're trying to go to Guthrie's. Okay, so what places in South Tampa are open for food right now?
Stop forcing content.
Dude, please!
No. What is flickering over there?
Something's flickering?
Yeah. See that? You see that in the sky? Ooh. Wait, what? Huge.
Oh, it like blew open.
Dude, that's that snap. Go straight into the car.
Okay, all of our neighbors on the other side have power. literally 1 block over. They all have power, but we don't. So I guess their transformer didn't burst. Mikey, let's tell ghost stories. I think he's sleeping. It's literally 9 p.m. Yeah, there's literally nothing to do. I'm just gonna brush my teeth. I keep forgetting there's no power and trying to turn on the light and it doesn't turn on. We really take it for granted that there's just always light available to us. Let's see what it looks like outside today. Alright, no trees down or anything. It's so nice being able to open the window. We still have no power and probably gonna have no power for a while, but it was horrible last night trying to sleep, not being able to open the window because obviously the storm and the rain was coming in. So I just had to roast in the hot room, which is really hard for me to sleep in. Wait, how long does this generator last for?
It'll run for about 9 hours on a single tank, which is just 2.5 gallons or something.
Oh, nice.
3 gallons.
So this powers the fridge.
And a hot water maker.
Ooh, so we can make coffee after all.
Gotta make my oatmeal.
Nice. Came out on a walk to observe the aftermath. Honestly, there's not that much that I see now. I mean, it's a lot of trees are just blown over to the side. Oh, is that palm tree gone? I think the top just blew off. Tree down. Back up, so we got some subs and we were gonna have a little picnic out here, but the picnic tables are underwater, so I'm trying to find somewhere to eat. Officially survived my first Florida hurricane. Things are pretty much back to normal again, except for the fact that we don't have power still, but hopefully it comes back soon. Today I honestly got like re-traumatized from COVID New York City because we had no power. There's just not really much to do. I mean, I have books and stuff to read, but other than that, I've just been sitting around. So I rearranged my desk area, and I remember when I lived in New York during COVID, I rearranged my room like 3 times, mixed everything around, like my bed, my bookshelf, my desk, like everything kept changing around just because when you have nothing to do, you just need variety. So now I have my desk on this side, and I have a flashlight so I can read my book.
Do they need to prioritize the power? Do they have to prioritize the power?
We might have power
every
tonight.
millisecond counts. Are you kidding? I'm not distracting these utility workers from their one power move in life to restore the power. Are you kidding? This is their biggest moment in life. They wake up every day wishing for a hurricane to come through so they can feel the power of
Dude, they're just doing their job. Do we have power?
No way! Wait.
Is our house still out?
Never mind.
Why is it like just our house and these few houses?
Oh my gosh, I thought that was our street light. Oh, finally.
You can't match. Okay, how many did you go through before? You're supposed to trim the end of it.
Oh no.
What are you doing?
Oh,
do you not know how matches or candles work?
Too bad.
You cannot survive one more day with no power.
Stop laughing.
Alright, you got your little lantern.
Oh.
So we just went to the gym, went to Taco Bell because we just wanted some hot food and some chicken related something. And now we have to take showers in the dark because we still have no power, even though all the houses around us do.